And we will sneak in through the passenger side because there's a little bit more room to do so. That was a cold start of our Range Rover Sport, 53,000 miles, no warning lights, nothing that is not operational. We have in-car navigation there, all of your infotainment controls there, and climate, dual zone. We have heated seats for both driver and passenger. We have the transmission tunnel, and then all of your driving controls. So whatever terrain you encounter, you have different settings that you can operate here. So if you have snow, rain, anything of the sort, or if you are just simply exploring the world around you, you have options for that. And then we have the suspension settings here that we have a separate video showing it going up and then down for the access level. And then your crawling or other traction settings for whatever terrains you are encountering. Otherwise, we have a nice ebony leather interior here. Looks essentially brand new. I mean, you can see in the photos how this car looks. Otherwise, everything up and running as it should. This is a nice one in its Fuji white exterior and this lovely interior with just about everything you could ask for. So we have other steering wheel controls for your phone and talking settings, heated steering wheel, and then of course cruise control settings. So yeah, all in working order, everything that you will need for wherever life takes you. So if you have any additional questions, feel free to drop a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching.